Today I'm going to show you how to remove a kitchen sink from the countertops. The tools we're going to need is a 7-in-1, a flat bladed screwdriver will work, and one of the most important parts is just wedges. These are just a poly wedge. As I'm bringing the sink up, I'm going to be shoving these wedges under there to put pressure on the sink, and as I slowly bring it up, it'll pop out. So we'll get at it and show you how to do it. Before you start the process, you're going to have to disconnect the plumbing. Disconnect the supply lines off the stops and the disposal, if you have one, or the drains. Those will have to be disconnected to free up the sink so it can just pop on out. This countertop is actually going to get replaced, but I'll show you how to do it without trying to actually hurt the countertop if you're just going to do a swap out for a sink for a sink. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start on the corner here. I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to actually just kind of make sure the tool's flat. And once that goes in a little bit, I'm going to throw in a wedge. And then what I'm going to do is come along here. I'm going to put my tool at just a little bit of an angle so I'm not messing up the countertops. I'm going to continually put in wedges until the seam breaks. Sometimes you also need to take a razor blade knife and just kind of score it there on the existing caulking that's under there. Sometimes you just got to get that to break that seal. There we go. Get that done, and we're going to pry up just a hair. Insert a wedge here. Okay, now these wedges are actually getting loose. After we get the front is complete, we're going to go on the side, and this actually needs to take the razor blade. And that actually just popped up all by itself because of the pressure. Continue putting wedges in and scoring that old material, and then we'll move to the other side. And you can see this one's already given up. Take our blade, put in the wedge. The reason I'm using the plastic wedges is because they typically won't hurt a countertop. Okay, so now we have the sink wedged up. We have the back seal that's still kind of sealed. I'm going to take these plastic wedges and just kind of drive that along the back. Okay, I'm going to throw in another wedge here, and I'm going to try to break that seal on the back. I'm going to move over to the other side. Okay. The back seal may be challenging to get it to break loose, but once it comes off, it should just pop right out and you can remove the sink. So on the sink, as I said before, work with the wedges. The wedges will be your buddy. The more wedges you get in there, the more chance you have a better removal of the sink and not wreck the countertop. So hope this works for you. If you need any other help or advice, or just give us a holler and in the comment section. And if you need any other videos that you're looking for home repairs, check out our channel and subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks.